Hello friends, in group theory, previous lecture we see homomorphism and inner automorphism. Now we are going to study factors group computation. Factors group computation. See here, retrieval subgroup, example, n of Z is a normal subgroup. Is a normal subgroup. Now compute. Now compute Z by singleton 0. Since n is singleton 0 has only one element, all cosets of n containing only one element, containing only one element, that is coset of the form like this: m singleton m for m belongs to Z, and union of all these cosets is equal to Z. Union of all these cosets is equal to Z. That means here Z by this is factor group. That means coset. Each coset contains single element and coset of this form, and all for m belongs to Z. Therefore, this is isomorphic to Z or equal to Z. Okay. Now, if here G is equal to R and NR be subgroup NR is equal to be a normal subgroup of R. Since R is an abelian, so each subgroup is normal. Now, here NR is equal to clearly R. NR is equal to R. If X belongs to R, X belongs to R, then X can be written n into X by n, where X by n again belongs to R. That means If X belongs to R, then X and this belongs to NR. That means R is a subset of NR. R is a subset of NR. So NR is equal to R. Now here, if you take R by NR, R by NR means R by R. This contain only single element and this is equal to identity. This is equal to identity. That means trivial subgroup or trivial group. That means here G is any group if G is any group, then G by singleton E is isomorphic to G and G by G isomorphic to singleton E, like G by G is isomorphic to singleton E. Another example here. Here G is equal to S3 and order of S3 is equal to 2 times order of AN, and so AN is a normal. That means index Sn as to AN is equal to 2. If index is 2, then this subgroup is a normal. Then this subgroup is normal. That means Sn by AN contains two elements, cosets. Cosets, and that is cosets AN and sigma AN, where sigma belongs to Sn and sigma does not belongs to AN. Another coset. Now multiplication table. Sn of AN is equal to AN sigma AN. AN sigma AN AN sigma AN. Now multiply AN AN. Here AN is set of all even permutation. Sigma is an odd permutation actually, because sigma belongs to Sn but sigma does not belong to An. That means sigma is odd permutation, and sigma into An, that means this is set of all odd permutation. Set of all for odd permutation. An, product of An means representative. E1 E1, E1 into E1, E1, that means An. Now E1 and odd, that is odd sigma. Here odd into E1, again representative. Here sigma An, and odd into odd is again E1, this is An. That means if we rename this An is E1, is rename E1 and sigma An by R. Then we'll get this multiplication table, and this is a group, factor group. This is give the factor group. Now, next example. Carnot-Lagrange's theorem. Example. Carnot the theorem of Lagrange. Is false. See here. Lagrange's theorem says order of group, if H is a subgroup of G, then order of H divides order of G. Converse, if D is divisor of order of G, then there must exist a group of order D. There must exist a subgroup H of order D. See here. If you take G is equal to A4, here order of A4 is 12. Order of S4 is 24, and so order of A4 is 12. Now D is equal to 6 divide 12. Suppose H is a subgroup of order 6. Here 6 divides 12, so H is a subgroup of order 6. That means here A4 at H is equal to 2. Therefore, H is normal subgroup, and it contains two elements. A4 by H contains two elements. That means two cosets. H itself and another coset sigma H, where sigma belongs to A4 and sigma does not belong to H. Sigma belongs to A4, but sigma does not belong to H. A4 containing set of all even permutations, and H is again subgroup of A4, two cosets, one itself and another sigma H, where sigma, if sigma belongs to H, then sigma H is equal to H. So sigma does not belongs to, sigma does not belongs to H. Okay. Now here, since group of order 2, group of order 2, the square of each element, the square of each element is the identity element. Here identity element of this group is H. Therefore H into H again H, and sigma H into sigma H is again identity element of this group, that means H. That means H into H is equal to H and sigma H into sigma H is equal to H. That means if you take representative from H, also representative from H, you get again in H. Similarly, representative from sigma H, again another same representative from sigma H, you get H. Okay. Now product of cosine means representative. Product of cosine the representative in the original group. For each alpha belongs to H, we must have alpha square belongs to H, and beta belongs to sigma H beta square. We must have beta square belongs to again, that is square of every element. Square of every element in A4 must be in H. Now, but in the A4, 1, 2, 3, here 1, 3, 2 square, here 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, we get here 1 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 2, here 2 goes to 1, here 1 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 2, here 2 goes to 1, complete. That means 1, 2, 3. That means this is alpha square okay, is this. Again, square of this 1, 2, 3 is 132. And so, square of this is this, and square of this element is, okay, this element. That means, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 2 are in H. These two elements are in H. Because if we take this element, square of this element is again in H. So this element belongs to H. Now, similarly, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 3 are in H. That means total, these are distinct. Total 8 elements. Total 8 elements in H, which is a contradiction. To order of H is equal to 6. So therefore H does not exist. A subgroup of order 6 does not exist. Whatever here 6, divisor of 12, but subgroup of order of 6 does not exist. Compute the factor group. Later. Compute the factor group Z4 cross Z6, Z4 cross Z6 by here G is equal to Z4 cross Z6, okay. H is a subgroup generated by 1. This is equal to 0, 1. Again, if we take square means multiply by 2. This gives 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 and then 0, 0. That means it contains 6 elements. It contains 6 elements. Now, that means order of Z4 cross Z6 is 24. Therefore, order of Z4 cross Z6 by this H is 4. Coset here, and this distinct cosine Z4 cross Z6 by this. First coset is this. H itself then 1 0 plus H. Now 2 0 plus H and last 3 0 plus H. That means take elements from this Z4 cross Z6 and not in H, and these are like this. Okay, and this is isomorphic. It contains 4 elements. This group is isomorphic to corresponding elements. Here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, and this group is isomorphic to Z4 cross Z6 upon here 0, 1, isomorphic to Z4. Now, one theorem depend on this example here. Let Jesus let G is a subgroup. Sorry. Theorem. One theorem. Let G is a subgroup H cross K. G is a subgroup H cross K be the direct product of groups H and K. Be the direct product of H and K. Then H bar. Then H bar is equal to HE. H belongs to H is a normal subgroup of G, normal subgroup of, and so G bar, H bar isomorphic to K, isomorphic to K in natural way. See? Natural way. Similarly, G bar, K bar is isomorphic to H, where K bar is EK. K belongs to capital K. Now, see, define map. A map, homomorphism map. Consider homomorphism, consider map phi 2 from H cross K to K by H cross K to K, where by phi 2 HK is equal to K. Right. Here, clearly this map is homomorphism. If you take phi 2, this element H1 K1 into product component is pi 2. Here H1, H2, K1, K2, this gives K1, K2. K1 means pi 2 of H1, K1 and pi 2 of H2, K2, like this. Okay. Homomorphism, and here kernel pi 2 is equal to those elements from this set HK belongs to H cross K capital such that pi 2 of HK is equal to identity E from E belongs to kernel is HK belongs to H cross K such that pi 2, that means K is equal to E. Image of pi 2 HK is K. This is E. E means E is an identity of K, and clearly this is equal to set H E such that H belongs to H is fixed, and this is equal to H bar. This is equal to H bar, and this is homomorphism. Then this gives H cross K kernel of phi 2 is isomorphic to K. That means H cross K H bar isomorphic to H cross K H bar isomorphic to K. Similarly, if we take map pi 1 from H cross K to H, then kernel pi 1 is equal to K bar, and therefore similarly H cross K K bar isomorphic to H. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.